First, a short summary. In November 2022, I bought a Kymco ZX from a girl who lived in Saltarö, Värmdö. According to her statement, only the gas wire was faulty. So I thought I'd take the plunge and hit the ground running, you know. It was cheap also. However, it turned out to be more of a problem than the gas wire. The engine had no compression, the oil pump was broken and there appeared to be a large scratch in the cylinder. I also noted that the air filter box was not connected correctly, so probably a lot of crap has got in there. She lives near the beach and has dirty roads and so on. Yeah, anyway, this is the story of how I restored this engine. In this section I will attempt to fit a new crank bearing using heat and cold. So stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. After the grinding there is a lot of small particles from aluminium parts, small micro parts. So I'm trying to clean it off. See if it helps. Hopefully it will, because it needs to get these small buggers out of this. Put this here in the fridge. Get this from the fridge. Yes. So it's in there. So next crank half, heating it. This is speed fast forward. Directly from the fridge. Super refrigerator. So let's do some final heating here. Yes. Right on. Yes. Removing. Time to heat this inner core here and put the crankshaft there, and then hopefully we can get this also heated up and match them up, and hopefully everything will expand when I heat it, and hopefully we can get this to match. A good test to see if it's warm enough is sprinkling water on it, and if it vaporizes pretty much at this immediately. Getting pretty hot. Let's give it a shot. Get this from the fridge. Straight from the fridge. Cold, cold, cold. This shouldn't be hotter than 110 degrees. Let's see how it goes. No problem. That's too easy, man. Let's go with this one at once. It's in the bottom. What is it? Yeah. Should be. This would be hot, I guess.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
No.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Yeah, boy.
FBI, open up!
Well, as you can see, it doesn't go according to plan. Yeah, having a hard time getting this together without using force, so have to try to put some screws in and tighten it that way. That's not the perfect way to do it, but yeah, that's what I'm resorting to. Bad fit here. The gasket doesn't line up. It's a Honda Gaio gasket. Well, this didn't go as planned. Let's use the old one. It's a bit easier now. But this gasket is no good. So I could sort the gasket out, releasing the bolts, and then I could pull this in the correct spot. So now I can put this one here, hopefully. So it's sorted out. It all works out finally. So now it's running freely. So I put some oil inside it, just normal motor oil, and gonna put the oil delete plug back, and then we have the oil seals. Put it a bit more in. So next step is trying to get this oil seal on. So I'm gonna grease the outer and the inner surface with some bearing grease. I don't think this will go as easy. I need something to push it down. Push even. Do it flush. Yeah, I need some tools to push more. Going in. It's almost flush now. A bit more on that side. Just a bit more. There we go, something like that. Okay, let's do the next side of oil sealing. Again, grease it up, outside and inner side.
You have the spring on the side where it's gonna seal. So this is the outside, and then just push it in evenly. Often you need some kind of tool.
This washer here will fit, and then I can use something like this, but this is too narrow, can't get it on. Maybe we can just push it, yeah. It's almost flush. Yeah, put it there flushed. In this case I'm using the old bearing. It's 20mm, just like that. And then if you have a lot of them, you can build it up, and then you can sort of hit it in place. Yeah. So I could hammer a bit here, but I don't want to damage so I'll try to find something more. And now it's pretty much flushed with the surface here. So I'm heating it. Gonna loosen some, get the crankshaft to move easier. After putting the seals, it felt a bit tight. So I'm gonna try this. So now when it's hot, just get it out from the oven. Moves pretty simple. So hopefully it will continue moving like this when it's cold, but it probably won't. But it's hot. Also bounced a bit with this board. So I think it's a bit too, it's a bit wide to the left. To that side should probably be more to the right. You can see the oil seals is sweating and in the heat. So I went to 170 degrees Celsius. And I went there from 0 to that degree in about half an hour or something like that. So from cold to 170. Got some other colors on the crank, the rod arm also.
Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?